Hi, are you afraid of having white walls with a toddler? Yeah, you shouldn't be. Today's video is going to show you my quick trick for having white walls, even though I have a toddler who likes to explore her artistic ability. I mean, I won't say where she get it from, but you know, if you know. So today's video is going to be how I toddler-proofed my white walls. You don't want to miss that one. So this is going to be 5 quick steps for how you create your own dry erase wall. Now the first thing you have to do is definitely to measure the area that you want to use, and then mark it off with a level or straight line and a pencil. If you're using the entire wall, then your measurement will help you calculate how much of the solution you'll actually need to cover that entire wall. So make sure and check that before you begin your project. 2. After you've marked off your area using your pencil, use painter's tape to protect the area that you don't want to get the solution on. Now this step is very important, especially if you're not doing your entire wall. Key tip: place the painter's tape just above the pencil line so that you can easily use an eraser to remove the line before applying your treatment. Trust me, because I didn't do that and I had some difficulty removing the pencil line afterwards. So you want to be sure you get that step out of the way before your solution goes onto your wall. Three, open up your box with your Sherwin Williams solution, paying special attention to the instructions that they have provided with the solution. Now, in the box, you're going to see several things. They have put this kit together so that you shouldn't really need anything else outside of this kit. You will get the instructions. You get 2 solutions which will need to be combined. You also have a mixing stick, gloves, an application tray, and a black foam ruler. Put on the gloves and use a flathead screwdriver to open the can labeled Part A. Then to open the can labeled Part B, you will need to pull on the safety tabs on the outside and then the one on the inside. Quick tip: once you mix these 2 solutions together, they have advised that you discard any remaining solution. So make sure and mix it in a separate container if you don't want to, or if you don't plan on using the entire solution. Please keep the instructions close by, just in case you need a quick glance at them. Using the mixing tool, begin combining the solution. The instructions say that we should do this for about 2 minutes or until the solution turns milky. What I like most about the solution is that it's a water-based solution, so cleanup is quick and easy just with soap and water.
I can be anything, whatever you want me to be. It's a call to the ring. I'm throwing up my gloves and knees. My back against the ropes. I got nowhere to go. I'm looking down.
Step 4. Now carefully pour the mixture into the tray, then use the included foam roller to apply to your area. As with any wall treatment application, be sure to fully wipe the area to ensure that there aren't any dust particles. Depending on what surface you have, you should do a little light sanding to ensure that the application goes on nice and smooth like a baby's behind. I've decided to go a step further. I am using a little bit of rubbing alcohol on my water-based Sherwin Williams surface. I'll leave the name of the exact shade of this white in the description box below, so make sure and check that out. Okay, put back on your gloves to keep the solutions off your hand. Then begin the application, working in small segments at a time.
Never cut it right, but somehow you make me change. Like I'm better off with you.
I should have removed this outlet cover before. That's usually a pet peeve of mine when I see contractors doing applications and not taking the time to remove the hardware or screws, etc. That's how we end up with painted doorknobs and curtain brackets and outlet covers. Yeah, it's utterly annoying. Okay, so touch-up for this solution can be done almost immediately. So what you need to do is step back and make sure there are no areas that you missed, and you can quickly go over it with your foam roller. A second coat is not required, but if you decide that you want to do a second coat to make sure that it's nice and smooth, it's recommended that you wait until the solution has completely cured before you apply a second coat. And now this is one of the reasons you should actually mix the solution in a separate container so that you'll have extra solution to mix just in case you decide that you want to do a second coat over the area. Now you want to immediately remove the painter's tape before the solution cures. This will make it easier for you to get the tape off because the solution holds on really well to the wall. Step 5 is that you allow it to dry, which should be 7 days. So be sure to look at the recommended drying times and condition on the instruction leaflet. The solution dries completely clear. Whatever color you have on your wall, that is the color that you're going to see. When you look at it at an angle, that's when you will see the clear coat on the wall. Ta-da! Now you have your own writable and, most importantly, toddler-proofed surface. Yeah, you're welcome. Now remember, links to this product is in the description area below. If you have any questions or concerns about my method or the product itself, you can leave me a comment in the comment section and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. So not only can Zoe have fun drawing on the wall, she can also learn to erase the wall when she's done. So you just got a sneak peek of what that wall looks like in its present condition. Don't worry, I got you. I actually have a video coming up showing you exactly how I got this acrylic tree onto the wall, and you don't want to miss it, so make sure to subscribe and turn on your notification bell. Yeah, I know, I got it going on. Yeah, listen. I realized from the time she was able to move about that she loved to draw, and I decided that I had to make a space that was toddler-proof. And what do you think? If you want to try this out, or if you are thinking about creating a play space or even an office area where you probably need to use the entire wall, this is your solution. Sherwin Williams has ensured that we have a game changer in the area of having writable surfaces for our note-taking, our drawings, our brainstorming. And what I like about it is that it's not just a standard dry erase board with a whiteboard on your wall. You know, you're not limited to that square or rectangle board on your wall. So If you enjoyed this video, if you like this video, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. And as well, while you're there, don't forget to subscribe and turn on that notification bell. That's how you know when I upload new videos. If you're interested in seeing videos about home organization, home decor, and home maintenance, check out this video and leave a comment and let me know what you think. Also check me out on Facebook and Instagram, where I provide little nuggets of information in between videos. Again, it was my pleasure bringing you this information and letting you know that yes, there's hope for your white walls when you got toddlers. See ya.